You just cooked a big pot of rice, it's delicious, you're full, and you leave the rest on the stove for later. A common move, right? But what if I told you that this everyday habit could be silently harming one of your body's most vital organs, your liver? Today, we're diving deep into food safety science to uncover the hidden danger of improperly stored leftover rice and the shocking research that links it to potential liver damage. This isn't just about food poisoning, it's about long-term health. The problem isn't the rice itself. It's a common bacterium called Bacillus cereus. This pathogen is often present in dry rice in a dormant spore form. These spores can survive the cooking process. Here's the critical mistake. When you cook rice and leave it at room temperature to cool slowly, you create the perfect breeding ground. The spores germinate into active bacteria, which multiply rapidly in the danger zone between 40 degrees and 140 degrees, 4 degrees C and 60 degrees. These bacteria produce toxins. You might know Bacillus cereus can cause vomiting and diarrhea, a short-lived food poisoning, but recent scientific attention has turned to the potential chronic effects of its toxins, specifically on the liver. A significant study published in the journal Frontiers in Microbiology in 2020, titled "The Toxic Mechanism of Bacillus cereus Enterotoxins," sheds light on this. While much of the research focuses on acute effects, the study details how certain cereulide toxins produced by B. cereus are hepatotoxic, meaning they are toxic to liver cells. The research indicates that these toxins can induce cell death, apoptosis, in human liver cells. Repeated exposure to low levels of these toxins from consistently eating improperly stored foods could theoretically contribute to low-grade, ongoing stress on the liver. Over time, this chronic insult may interfere with liver function and contribute to a higher toxic load that your liver must constantly process. Wrong way. Rice pot left on stove, rice scooped warm into a deep container. Right way. Rice spread on a tray, then transferred to a shallow airtight container in fridge. So, what is the damaging way? It's leaving cooked rice to cool at room temperature for hours before refrigerating it. Every hour at room temperature allows bacterial loads to increase exponentially. Here's the safe protocol. First, serve rice immediately after cooking. For leftovers, cool them rapidly. Spread the rice on a wide, shallow tray or container to help it lose heat quickly. Then, within 1 hour of cooking, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. Your fridge should be at or below 40 degrees 4 degrees C. This rapid cool-down drastically slows bacterial growth. When reheating, ensure it's piping hot all the way through, above 165 degrees, 74 degrees Celsius. And a crucial rule, never reheat rice more than once. Each temperature cycle gives any remaining spores another chance to thrive. Let's recap. The risk isn't the rice, but the toxins produced by Bacillus cereus bacteria that grow when rice is improperly stored. Research, like the 2020 study in Frontiers in Microbiology, shows these toxins can damage liver cells. The dangerous habit is letting rice sit out for hours. The fix is simple. Cool it fast, refrigerate it within an hour, and reheat it thoroughly only once. Your liver is your body's primary detoxification center. It works hard for you every day. Don't make its job harder with careless food storage. Have you ever experienced food poisoning from rice? Share your story in the comments below. If you found this research eye-opening, give this video a like and subscribe for more science-backed insights into your everyday health. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next investigation. Stay safe and eat smart. Thanks for watching.